Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I do my Tifa Lockhart makeup from Final Fantasy. First, I start by applying an even coat of foundation all over my face to create a blank canvas to work with. Then I use some dark beige eyeshadow to contour my forehead to make it look shorter. And around my jawline to make it look slimmer and softer. I also contour along the sides of my nose to make it look straighter. And I go over it with powder foundation and a puffy brush to blend in the contour lines. Next, I use some white shiny eyeshadow as highlighter. And I brush it down the center of my nose and under my eyes to make it look brighter. I also apply it under my eyebrows and on my brow bone. Then I blend it in with a puffy brush. Now I'm just filling in my eyebrows to make them look darker and fuller. I don't do anything too crazy, I keep them soft looking and kind of straight with a slight curve. Then I use a light brown liner pencil and create little lines under my lower eyelid to make them look rounder and bigger. And then blend that in with a soft brush. Then I take some black eyeliner and draw a line over my eyes. And I wing it out a bit at the end and connect it to my lower lash line as well. I stay outside the waterline to keep them looking bigger and rounder. Then I take some brown eyeshadow and apply it to my upper eyelid crease to define it more. This also makes my eyes look bigger. Then I blend it in with a soft brush. Now I'm going to put in my contact lenses. These make my eyes look lighter and bigger. I will add a link to where you can get them in the description. Now I'm going to apply a thick line of black liquid eyeliner over my eye. And I wing it out at the end a lot to make my eyes look bigger. Then I connect that to my lower lash line. And I do the same on the other side. Next, I apply a generous amount of mascara to my upper eyelashes, and a little bit on my lower as well. You can also wear false lashes if you want, but I didn't feel the need to. Now I put in this cute little earring. I will add a link to where you can get it in the description. And here's some matte liquid lipstick on my lips. It's a very light, natural looking color which is perfect for Tifa's makeup look. I overdraw my upper lip a bit and let it dry. I also add little dots to the corner of my mouth with a dark brown eyeliner to make the mouth look a little cuter on the edges. Then I apply a matte white powder under and around my nose. Next, I dust on some pink blush to my cheeks. Now it's time to put on the wig. I put my hair up in 2 wig caps to compress it and clip them in place. Then I put on my wig. that's pretty much it for the makeup. If you want to know where I got this costume, I will add a link in the description. I didn't make it myself since there's already such great quality ones available online, which is a huge time saver. I did modify it slightly to fit me better and made this bracelet for my wrist. But I would rather spend my time making bigger, harder costumes. I hope you guys found this tutorial entertaining or helpful, and maybe you can apply some of the makeup techniques in this video to a costume you plan on doing in the future. I have lots of other Final Fantasy and many more cosplay tutorials on my channel, so feel free to go check those out. I will also be adding helpful links to the description, so check that out as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye!